Well, hello everyone. My name is Lee from Lily's Kitchen. It's a little bit different now. I actually thought I'd put myself onto camera now because I figured everyone would rather listen to my Australian accent. On my channel, you'll see typical meals as well as keto-based meals and desserts, and also I have a love for canning. So sometimes you'll see some canning videos as well. Today we're making lemon pepper chicken wings, which I typically do have for lunch sometimes. So I hope you stick around and hope you enjoy. So today we're going to make lemon pepper chicken wings. So for ingredients, you're going to need a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, a little bit of turmeric just to get some colour, 4 cloves of garlic. Mine are a bit small, so I'm just using a couple extra. Teaspoon of sugar. Teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, that's my preferred salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we've got 2 lemons to get the zest and rind off. And then I've got some lemon pepper seasoning, which I've got left in my pantry, so I'm just going to use that as well. And then we've got the chicken wings here. When did they cost $8.50 a kilo here in Australia? I do not know why. This is Felix. He heard I'm cooking chicken wings. Never get a break from him when I'm cooking. Firstly, we're going to make the marinade. So firstly, we're going to zest our lemons. I'm not a professional at this, so if you are a professional, please look away. That into the bowl. Alright, next thing. Well, I've got the microplane out, I might as well just grate the garlic in. I'd usually crush it with a knife because I can't be bothered. Clean the garlic crusher. Kind of just like guide it along there. Now to juice the lemons. One of these citrus juices are lifesavers, make it a lot easier. All those will go into my compost. Then we got about a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. I use an electric grinder, so I did it off camera because that would take about 10 years. A little bit of turmeric for colour. A teaspoon of sugar, just give it a little bit of sweetness. A teaspoon of salt. Pink Himalayan salt has over 80 trace minerals, so I use that instead of normal salt. And then we've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, just in there. And then I've also got this lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm just going to use that as well. I've tried it by itself and it's okay. It doesn't add a lot of flavours, but I'm just going to add that in as well since I've got it. just going to whisk all that together. And at this time, give it a taste. And just adjust it how you need to. And honestly, I think probably could use a little bit more sugar. Just a little bit more. It's not meant to be a sweet marinade, but just to take a tinge of it. Alright, so that's that. So now we're going to turn our chicken wings into wingettes. I think it's just a lot easier to actually handle when you're trying to eat them. So let's do that. So I was actually shocked to see that chicken wings are actually $8.50 a kilo here in Australia. Like you used to get it for like $4 a kilo because no one wanted them, but now they're so bloody expensive. So what we're going to do is just open up our packet here. And then so you got your drumette, your wingette, and your wingtip. So just grab your knife, straight through the bone in the joint, and same if they're okay. And then you've got your wingette and your drumette, both into the marinade. Felix is hanging out because he heard me open up the chicken. He thinks he's getting something, which I'll probably give him these wingtips. You could definitely save these wingtips for doing it in like a stock or something. I'll probably just feed it to him just to quieten him down. If it's not slicing through, just move over a little bit. You might be just in the wrong spot. Like the last one. Just grab an actual whisk and just get these in the marinade. So if you can marinate these for a few hours, I'd say maybe 4 hours, and it'd be great, but you know, not everyone's got the time to do it, so you can do it for 15 minutes or something like that. I think that'd be more than plenty, better than nothing. All right. So that's that. We'll get that into the fridge and we'll be back when we put them into the air fryer. So today we're going to actually air fry these. You could definitely oven roast them as well. So I have a Cuisina multifunction air frying oven, and because I live by myself and it's just me and 2 kitty cats, I usually find using that is a lot more efficient than actually using my big gas oven. So I'm just going to load this up with some chicken wings for lunch. Now this will do me 2. This will do me 2 meals. So I'm just going to do half now. So now we're going to put these into the air fryer, about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And also just give them a turn halfway through and just make sure they're all browning evenly. All right, so now we're going to turn them over. Let's see how they're going. So we've still got another 10 minutes left on them, but depending on how big they are and everything, you might need a little bit longer. Alright, so let's get those back in for the extra 10 minutes. Fortunately, you can hear my air fryer isn't the quietest. And I'll see you back in 10 minutes. The air fryer's just finished. Let's just see how they have gone. Ooh. Yeah, you see that little bit of sugar just helped really caramelize just a little bit. Alright, I've given them a second to cool down. Let's give them a go. Perfectly cooked. And full of flavour. The pepper doesn't hit you straight away, but it's starting to just start on me now. So, hope you try them out and enjoy.